Hi guys, and welcome to Kaya's RC. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make your RC car or RC truck FPV. FPV means first person view, so it's like you're sitting in the car. So to make your RC car FPV, you'll need a camera, a transmitter, and also a receiver. So the camera and transmitter is powered via this 2.2 amps power bank that I made, which has a 12-volt output. So the camera is mounted on the car with a Spectrum servo. So the servo is directly plugged into my receiver. So I can, with that third channel knob, turn the camera left and right, so I can see around a little bit the car. So I also put on this car LED lights so I can run it at night. So there is 2 there and 2 on the front. It's controlled via a switch right under there. So I tried it yesterday at night and it works absolutely perfectly. So my setup is upstairs. Well, the setup is for seeing where the car is going. So yeah, I'm gonna show you that in a minute. So here we go, the car is outside. Now let's go upstairs to try it out. Here's my setup. There is my invention, which is a 12-volt 9 amps battery that is plugged into a 50 watts inverter. So that's the receiver that I use. So the receiver is directly plugged into the battery, and then there is this camping screen, which is powered by the inverter. So it has a AV input, and that's the wire that goes directly into the receiver. There is different channel that you can set, but I set it at 11. So yeah, so I don't know if you can see on the screen, but I can actually run my car, and that's what the third channel knob is for. You can see around you. So that's pretty cool, and it works perfectly. Like, I went like 200 meters away, and it was my remote that was out of range. The camera has an insane range for the price. So I'm gonna put in the description the link for the receiver and also the transmitter and the camera, so that you can put your car the FPV setup. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and see you soon.